Hello guys, welcome to Tech Blue channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore your WhatsApp messages on Android. So guys, let's continue into WhatsApp. And then tap on three dot icon in the right of corner. Tap on settings. Now tap on chats. And then tap on chat backup. And then tap on backup to Google Drive and press it daily. Now tap on Google account and select your Gmail account so that you can get your backups in your Gmail. Now tap on backup using cellular and then tap on include videos. And last tap on backup. Now it's done and go back and delete the WhatsApp. So guys, I am deleting my WhatsApp. Again, I installing it. So after installing and when this page comes up, then tap on the restore button. And then tap on next. So guys, that's how you can restore your WhatsApp messages on Android. And guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.